In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge separate axes in Tableau. This powerful data visualization tool can sometimes present challenges, especially when you're looking to consolidate visual information for clearer insights. But worry not, as we're about to walk through a straightforward process to effectively combine these data points. First, you need to open your Tableau public app. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from Tableau's website. It's a robust tool that provides a vast array of features for all your data visualization needs, and the public version is perfect for getting started. Once you have the application open, you'll want to access your worksheet. This is the canvas where all the magic happens and where you'll be creating your visualization today. Now let's start preparing our data. Drag the order date field up to the column shelf. By default, Tableau might display this as years, so you'll want to click on the drop-down arrow on the field and change it to display by month. This ensures your data is segmented into more granular time periods, providing a month-by-month view. Next, we want to add some quantitative data by dragging sales onto the rows shelf. Doing so will display a line chart that gives you a quick visualization of how sales have been doing across months. But we're not stopping there. Take the quantity field and also drag it onto the rows shelf. This will create a second line chart beneath the first one, each with its own axis. This is great, but for more effective analysis, we sometimes need these axes to be merged. To start merging them, go to the sales marks card and change the chart type by selecting bar. This switches the visualization from a line chart to bars, providing a clear distinction of data points. Then, navigate to the quantity drop-down menu. By selecting dual axis, you'll see these two charts sharing the same space, with the axes aligned side by side. We're almost at the finish line, but let's add one more step to perfect your visualization. To make sure both axes are truly synchronized and show a congruent representation of your data, right-click on one of the axes. In the drop-down menu, select Synchronize Axis. This will ensure both data sets are measured consistently, enabling easier comparisons and more accurate insights. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've not only merged separate axes in Tableau, but also enhanced your data visualization for better storytelling. Remember, clear and concise visuals can make a significant impact on how data-driven insights are communicated and understood. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.